We marvel at the complexity of the human body, its intricate organs and systems working in perfect harmony. Tissues, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of our being. These organized groups of similar cells form the organs and structures that define us. Imagine a vast construction site, bustling with activity. You see bricks being laid, forming walls, steel beams rising, providing support. Tissues are constantly at work, building, supporting, and connecting, from the lining of our organs to the muscles that power our movements. Imagine our body as a castle, its outermost layer acting as a protective shield against invaders and the elements. This is the role of epithelial tissue, forming a continuous sheet of tightly packed cells that covers our body surfaces, lines our internal cavities, and forms glands. Like vigilant guards, epithelial cells stand shoulder to shoulder, forming a barrier against infection, injury, and fluid loss. Epithelial tissues come in various shapes and sizes, each tailored to its specific location and function. In the skin, epithelial cells are stacked in multiple layers, providing a tough, waterproof barrier against the outside world. In contrast, the lining of our lungs features a single layer of thin, flat cells, allowing for the easy exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. If epithelial tissue is the protective skin of our castle, then connective tissue is the mortar that holds everything together. It provides support, binds other tissues and organs, and helps transport substances throughout the body. Unlike the tightly packed cells of epithelial tissue, connective tissues are characterized by their abundant extracellular matrix. This matrix, a complex network of fibers and ground substance, is secreted by connective tissue cells and provides structural support and elasticity. Think of it as the scaffolding and cement that hold the bricks together. Connective tissues come in a surprising variety. There's bone, the hard and rigid tissue that forms our skeleton; cartilage, the flexible tissue that cushions our joints; blood, the fluid tissue that carries oxygen and nutrients; and adipose tissue, which stores energy and provides insulation. Each type of connective tissue plays a vital role in maintaining the structural integrity and overall health of our body. Section 4. Muscle tissue. Powering our movements. From the beating of our heart to the blink of an eye, every movement we make is powered by muscle tissue. This remarkable tissue is composed of cells that can contract, generating the force needed for movement. There are 3 types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle, attached to our bones by tendons, allows us to move our limbs and perform voluntary actions. Smooth muscle, found in the walls of our internal organs, controls involuntary movements like digestion and blood pressure regulation. And then there's cardiac muscle, the tireless workhorse of our heart, responsible for pumping blood throughout our body. Each beat of our heart is a testament to the incredible power and endurance of this specialized type of muscle tissue. Section 5. Nervous tissue, our body's control center. Imagine a vast communication network, relaying messages at lightning speed, coordinating actions, and processing information. This is the nervous system in action, and at its core is nervous tissue, the most complex and highly specialized of all tissue types. Nervous tissue is composed of 2 main cell types, neurons and neuroglia. Neurons are the messengers of the nervous system, transmitting electrical signals over long distances. They are like the wires of our body's communication network, carrying information from our senses to our brain and from our brain to our muscles and glands. Neuroglia, on the other hand, are the support cells of the nervous system, providing nourishment, insulation, and protection to neurons. They are like the maintenance crew of our communication network, ensuring that the lines of communication remain open and functioning properly. Together, neurons and neuroglia form a complex and intricate network that allows us to perceive the world around us, think, feel, and control our actions. Tissues, the key to health and medical advancements. These tiny building blocks are the foundation of our bodies and key to understanding our health. Healthy tissues ensure smooth body function, while damaged tissues can have severe consequences. Studying tissues is crucial for diagnosing and treating diseases. Tissue engineering offers hope for repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs. Healthy lifestyle choices support tissue health and reduce disease risk. Appreciate the trillions of tiny wonders working tirelessly beneath your skin.